To delete your Revolut account permanently, follow these easy steps. First, open the Revolut app on your device and log into your account using your email and password. Next, navigate to the Settings section, which is usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the Settings icon to access the menu. From the Settings menu, scroll down to the Account and Security section and select Account Closure. You will then be prompted to confirm that you want to close your account. Please note that before you proceed, you need to make sure that your account balance is 0 and all your pending transactions have been cleared. If you have any outstanding transactions, you will not be able to close your account until they have been processed. Once you have confirmed that you want to close your account, you will be asked to provide a reason for closing it. You can choose from a list of predefined reasons or select Other and provide your own reason. After providing a reason, you will be asked to confirm that you want to permanently delete your account. This action is irreversible, so make sure you are certain before proceeding. Finally, tap on Confirm to delete your account. You will receive a confirmation email from Revolut once your account has been successfully closed. It is essential to note that deleting your Revolut account will also delete all your linked cards, so you will not be able to use them anymore. Additionally, you will not be able to access your transaction history or any other account information after deleting your account. Therefore, it is crucial to take a screenshot or save your transaction history before deleting your account, especially if you need it for tax or accounting purposes. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete your Revolut account permanently. Remember to always review the terms and conditions before taking any action, and make sure you have considered all the implications of closing your account.